Are you a content creator looking for effects to improve your videos in 2021?
Welcome to Production Crate.
Production Crate is the resource for graphics, visual effects, music, and much more. On top of that, these assets are compatible with your editing software. Get your unlimited free effects today or premium effects for only $49 a year. Make it awesome. What is poppin', guys? Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 18 tutorial. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make the screen shake, because a lot of people are making memes nowadays and where the screen is heavily shaking, or let's say that you want to simulate an earthquake effect. It's really simple how you do this, as you have to work with keyframes. Now keyframes are basically little points where your video is sliding to. I'll get to that in just a second. So let's say that we want to have this clip, that we want to have it shake. Now without plugins, of course, this is a basic tutorial. So we're going to do this in the event pan crop menu. So right here, you want to go to the event pan crop icon of the clip that you want to make start shaking. Then it will prompt us this box with this huge F. And right here, this is basically your timeline at the bottom. Now, of course, this video is nicely centered. You see all those lines around this preview. So now what you want to do is you want to make it to start shake. Now, if you want to avoid black borders, I want to actually recommend zooming in a little bit, because if you're going to go over the border without zooming and this line is over the preview and it's in the white, it's going to show black, as you can see right here. So what you want to do is zoom in a little bit, and then you want to make sure that you will stay in the area of the video with your square, and then you want to place it, for example, to the top left. And then what you want to do is create a new keyframe. Now you don't need to click any button, just go ahead and place your cursor right here, and then if you move the square again, it will automatically create a keyframe. Now of course, and let's go ahead and create a few more. Okay, so now that we created a couple of keyframes, this is what it looks like, and it's really slow, but of course it is not shaking, it is more floating. And the reason behind that is because these keyframes, the distance between these keyframes are deciding the speed. If you want to have a really fast shake, make sure to place all these keyframes closer to each other, and if you want to have a really slow shake, or just rather like a floating screen, make sure to have a lot more space between all these keyframes like this, spread out, and this is how you make it also float, also if you need that, or also how to make it shake. So this is really simple how to do it.